Hey guys, Tim from Red Goat Garage here. Today I'm going to show you pretty quickly how to replace the rubber in these vent windows. This is a sedan for this 55 that's behind me here. I bought this rubber kit from Classic Industries. I'll try to put the part number in there. But basically it comes with the C-shaped guy, the straight guy that has these little pins on the back that you bend down, the little tabs, and this here, and this one is used to goes in between the actual like chrome C and the glass to hold it in there, but I'm not replacing that, so I'm not going to use these. But so I'm going to show you how I did it. There might be easier ways to go about it, but let's get started. So here's my old one. And first thing I did was there's two rivets down here in the bottom popped out, and there's two in the top that need to be drilled out, and that'll kind of allow this whole thing to come apart. So I'm going to do that first. And then the two up here, one goes this way, like you're looking at it, one goes this way, and then one goes this way. It's kind of opposites. So I kind of drilled them, just use a screwdriver to pop it apart. I'm going to drill this one a little bit more. Okay, so 4 rivets to get this apart. Now, when I put it back together, I used screws and a rivet. I'll show you both there. Screws are number 6s, which require you to open these up just a smidge, so you can go ahead and do that. Alright, once you get all these out, there's this little channel here that pops out. That'll hold your felt in there. You done? Okay, thank you, bro. And then this is this little rubber piece here. It has little tabs. Just gotta pop those up and just bend them up and out. Move this camera if you guys can see a little bit better. Hopefully it'll stay like that. There's that. So that's ready to roll. And to get this glass out of here, I just kind of, there's the big end here that has this longer rod, and then there's a little nub up here. So I just kind of hold it up like that and slid it on out. Now on the other one, this rubber was rock hard, and this one looks like it's about the same. So you just got to get it out however you can. Hi, Missy. Camera. Recording the video. Give me a few minutes. Let me finish this video, okay? Don't drink your Slurpee.
If you remember when the bugs were on the tree, I saw a bug on the wheel like that.
Yeah, I bet.
I couldn't knock them off with my suit. I didn't want to. How much I feel like?
Okay, that side was a lot easier. The other side was super, just rock hard. So I ended up using a Dremel, and then I had I have a side cutting bit on there for like cutting out stuff in drywall, things like that. And what I did was I kind of cut it and then went down the middle to break it up and got it out. But this one had a little bit of ply in it, so it wasn't as bad. So now I had to install the new one. These are left and rights, which I got wrong the first time, so I had to take it all apart and redo it. So, let's see. This guy goes like this. I used a little bit of WD-40 on the back side, so I don't know if you can see it here, but this is kind of like a C-shaped, like kind of like that. And so it's kind of a pain in the butt to get it in there, because the gasket itself is shaped the same way. It's made to sit in that groove. So I used a little WD-40, which seemed to help. I kind of did it two different ways. So first way I did it was I basically got one side in, and then I would just push down on the other side and kind of force it in there, but it's hard on the hands to do that, and it doesn't work that great. So the other method was to get that one side in and just use a screwdriver to kind of push this in and get it underneath that lip. So just push that in, push these little tabs over. Okay, so now okay, now last step is to put this guy in. This has a hole at the top and the bottom. That's why we didn't do those other screws quite yet, because that's what holds this guy in. And just like anything else, putting them in and getting them all in loose before I tighten them. Okay. Now I will tighten all these guys up. Why are you back already?
I just need safety glasses.
Nope, they're wherever you left them. Alright, and that's it. So, pretty simple. All this works. Seals up nice. So that one, I think you could get away with not doing a rivet on, but I haven't tried it in the door quite yet. That's all. It's all good to go. So. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm going to get back on this 55 and see what else we can get fixed.